Welcome, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Follow advice provided by your local authority to prevent the spread COVID-19. Clean your hands with soap and water. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear masks when physical distancing is not possible. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. If you feel unwell, stay home. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Maharali Model High School, Jazira Shariatpur. Presentation English second paper, class 6 to 9. Look at the images. Have you read a book? Has a book been read by you? Dear student, next sentence, which book do you want? Which book is wanted by you? Did you play football? Was football played by you? Who taught you English? By whom were you taught English? I have already discussed the voice sense part 1 and 2. Let's discuss voice sense of interrogative sentence in today's class. Part 3. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, we will be able to define of interrogative sentence, classify of interrogative sentence, sense into active to passive. Definition of interrogative sentence. The sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Examples: what does he want? How did you do it? The next sentence, will he play football? Next, whom do you want? There are two kinds of interrogative sentences: yes no question, WS question. Yes no question. If the interrogative sentence begins with do does, the structure will be am, is, are plus object of subject plus V3 plus preposition plus subject of object plus question mark. Do you see the bird? Is the bird seen by you? Active. Does he play cricket? Is cricket played by him? Understand, dear student? Yes or not? Yes. If interrogative sentence start with did, the structure will be was, were, object of subject, V3, preposition, subject of object. Did he do the work? Was, structure was, the work, object of subject, done, V3, by preposition, subject of object, him. Next sentence, active. Did you see tigers? Were tigers seen by you? Tigers plural numbers. For that reason, were tigers, V3, seen, by preposition you, subject of object. If the interrogative sentence start with have, has, had, structure will be have, has, had plus object of subject plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject of object plus question mark. Have you eaten rice? Has rice been eaten by you? Rice third person. Has he done the work? Has the work, object of subject, the work been done V3 by preposition him, subjected object. Active. Had you eaten bread? Had bread been eaten by you? Dear student, surely understand. If the interrogative sentence start with shall, will, the structure will be shall, will, object of subject be plus V3 by plus object of subject plus question mark. Shall I do the work? Will, the work third person. Will the work be done by me? Will he play football? Will football be played by him? WS question. If the interrogative sentence starts with who, a structure will be by whom. AV plus object plus be being been. V3. Who instead of by whom. Who will help you? By whom will you be helped? Who has broken the glass? By whom have the glasses be broken? Glasses by whom have the glasses plural. The glasses been broken. Who is calling me? By whom am I being called? If the interrogative sentence starts with whom, the structure will be who, AV, V3 by object of subject. Whom did you see on the road? Who was seen by you on the road? Who versus whom instead of who was AV auxiliary verb seen V3 by preposition you object of subject on the road. Whom is he taught English? Who is being taught English by him? If the interrogative sentence starts with what, structure will be WS what, AV, V3 by plus object plus question mark. What do you want? What is wanted by you? What does he want? What is wanted by him? Dear student, now I will discuss quasi-passive voice. A quasi-passive voice is active in form but passive in sense. It may be sent into the passive form in the two ways. Add verbs with complement, verbs without complements. Complements means a things that completes or brings to perfection. Verb with complement structure subject plus to be verb plus complement plus when plus it oblique they plus V3. Active. Honey tastes sweet. sweet complement. Honey is sweet when it is tasted. Rice shell sheep. Sheep complement. Rice subject is to be verb, sheep complement when according to structure it subject is to be verb, salt past participle V3. Quasi-passive voice, verbs without a complement. Structure subject am being, is being, are being plus V3. Active voice, the house is building. In this sentence there is no complement. Passive voice, the house is being built. Active, the cow is milking. The cow is being milked. Active, the book is printing. Passive, the book is being printed. Whom tasks change into active to passive. Will be play cricket. Who gave you the ice cream? Whom did you call? Which book do you want? Do you see the bird? Dear student, thanks to all.